Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Recraft AI for social media graphics. Let's get started. First, launch the Recraft AI app on your Android phone and tap Create to start a new design. Then here in the prompt bar, type exactly what you want, like for this example prompt here, a motivational quote with minimalist background. And that's my example prompt. And choose a right style for social media. Tap presets or style options, and these are the recommended styles: flat illustration, minimalist graphic, bold poster, and cartoon style. Then here, select the correct aspect ratio. 1:1 is for Instagram post, 9:16 is for TikTok or Instagram story, while 16:9 is for YouTube thumbnail or Facebook header. Then tap generate to let the Recraft AI create your image. Then wait for the AI to finish processing. Use a remix if you want to change style or layout, and edit the prompt for new results or detailed. And after that, you can now download and share. Choose PNG or JPEG for direct uploading or to your social media platforms. And pro tip, you can add a brand colors in your prompt, and you can combine image plus text prompts and use text overlays later in Canva, CapCut, or directly recraft it if supported. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.